Can steroids cause diabetes? The short answer is yes. There are two types of well-known steroids, corticosteroids and anabolic steroids. Corticosteroids are used by the doctors in treating their patients in many different conditions. On the other hand, anabolic steroids are used by young and healthy people to build muscles. Using steroids without a prescription from a doctor is illegal, and doctors never prescribe anabolic steroids to young and healthy people just because they want to put on some muscle mass. Anyhow, does the prescribed and the non-prescribed steroids, can they both give us diabetes? Let's take a close look. The food that we eat is broken down into sugar and released into our bloodstream. When our blood sugar goes up, it signals our pancreas to release insulin. In case of a normal human being who is not on steroids, less sugar is released as insulin is created by the pancreas, which goes to the liver normally. And in case of the people on steroids, the liver becomes less sensitive to insulin, which is why the liver continues to release sugar even when the insulin is sent to the liver. In return, pancreas stop producing insulin due to the non-stop production of sugar. Long-term steroid usage can lead to insulin resistance. This is when the cells don't respond to insulin anymore and your blood sugar levels increase to a point that you're diagnosed with diabetes. This is also termed as steroid-induced diabetes. Insulin resistance is something that we see in type 2 diabetes. Glucose levels in the body start to raise as the body is getting insulin resistance. Anabolic steroids as well as corticosteroids, they both can give us diabetes, but in case of the corticosteroids, we are under constant supervision from the doctors and they have a clear idea on when to stop you from getting into that stage. And in case of the anabolic steroids, you're not under the supervision of the doctor, as the use of the anabolic steroids to build muscles is illegal for a common person. In the past, steroids was used by pro bodybuilders with the guidance from the doctors in most cases. But nowadays, people are using steroids just to look good in the society or just to lift heavier and be the bigger man in their gym. What most people don't realize is the long-term effects of steroids. Steroids are very powerful medicines which should be used by the doctors who have knowledge and expertise and know the minimum and maximum doses that are required. It is highly advised to stay away from the steroid usage on your own or your big gym bro who has suggested it to you. You can look better, healthier, and lift more than someone who is on steroids by following the video that is on the right top of this video. It is going to help you achieve the same goals but with a life which is much more happier and healthier. I hope you have a healthy day.